I just completed my day 8 self-test. So the self-test kit has been given from airport upon arrival in Canada. So I completed my 3 days hotel quarantine, and after that I moved to another location to continue with my quarantine, because within that first 3 days in hotel quarantine we received the negative test results for the test that we already performed at the airport upon our landing. So now, while continuing with the quarantine on the day 8, which is the first 3 days plus another 5 days of your quarantine, on the day 8 we have to do this test. For this test, the kit we have to do ourselves. There is a Switch Health website link in the Canada immigration site. You have to go there and just go to the Switch Health site and create an account of your own. You need to fill in certain details, and I think one important thing is that you need a Canadian number to provide while you are registering your account with. Other than that, there is no other difficulties. So I actually got another friend's Canadian phone number. I used it, and when you complete your registration, when you log in, they will send you a number code, 6 digits number code. So by default it will go to the phone, the registered phone. On that page itself, you can see an option, okay, send it to email. So just press send it to email. I actually used that option because I don't want to trouble my friend every time whenever I am logging into the site. Of course he will receive the number. I told him, okay, no need to send that number to me, you can just forget about that. So I'll just press okay, send it to my email. So after it received in the email, I'm able to log into the Switch Health app. And on day 8, when you can just press okay, start with the test, because there is a, once you log in, there is 4 options at the bottom of the screen. I will show you that. And from the bottom screen options, you can actually choose the option that is for your home test. And once you choose that, they will try to connect you to a nurse, and it will take you from 10 minutes to 2 hours as per their what they have displayed over there. So for me it took around 15 to 20 minutes. I got a nurse online, and then she will ask you to open up the tube inside the package. I opened the tube, then she asked me to open up the cap of the test tube, open up and just put on one side. Then once I put it on one side, she asked me to remove the nostril package, which is this one. Okay, this was the package in which the bristles or the what to say, the swab thing. So you have a section over here, you can actually peel off. Once you peel off, you can take from here, because the brush is on this side and the stick is on this side. And once you take out that one, you have to do the test yourself. And one nostril, it will take around 15 seconds. They will count for us, and all that 15 seconds we have to keep rotating it inside our nostril, and then we have to switch to another nostril and do the same thing. And once we remove, we have to break it off, and this is a thicker portion, the behind portion. And once we break it off, the brush we have to put inside the test tube and then close it. Once we close it, there is a package, biohazard packet. We have to put it inside the biohazard packet, and there is a tissue for you to wipe clean to sanitize the biohazard packet. Then they will ask us to clear off the box. Once we clear off the box, this biohazard bag goes inside that box, and then we have to seal it off with there is a sealing tape. That tape also provided inside the kit. It was actually here in this. I already peeled it off and used it. Then you have to stick on the box and seal it. Then there will be this packet inside the box itself, which we already removed from the box. With that package, we have to open and then just put it inside and then seal it off, and that's it for it. And then you have to note down the tracking number. What is the tracking number of your box? Then arrange the courier in the application once you completed the test. So I have already arranged the courier collection for tomorrow. There were 3 time slots, so I choose tomorrow time slot from 9 a.m. to 12, and tomorrow they will come and collect this. And I actually booked with Purolator. They are the courier service company. And I had one more company at the bottom. I didn't notice the name of that company. There was Uber also, but Uber were not collecting from my location, so I choose Purolator. So that's it. The day test is complete.